Right on inside. Watch out for your creature there. Keep him safe. Roll 14.
Ladies and gentlemen, the backside of water.
Let's be honest, they're not on the same level as the Empire.
Structural integrity eval to the west entry. Bring reinforcing pegs and necessary gear for repairs.
Okay, I'm definitely doing
Attention, personnel must remain on designated routes throughout the cliffside facility.
BB-8, prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9 Num, please report back to ITS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poltan and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport.
Recruits, let's board that transport.
reading on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, Nine Gun. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We have company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute. Reroute. Red 2, Blue 5, we gotta clear a path so transport can make the jump. They're all over us. I'm hit.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying, but
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to cut out of the way.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there.
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends to make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Resistance sympathizers, this ship is no longer under your command. It is instead the direct property of the First Order. Disembark at once and proceed to interrogation.
He did it. I didn't do it. I'm just on for hold on. What is that? This is my child. It's my adopted child. No! Idiot.
You can't go over there, go back there. Airlock?
Anthony, get back.
Airlock.
That is quite disgusting.
No!
What is it? It's gone bad.
I think it has. Oh no.
Spies, up ahead there are two lines. Keep your group in the same line.
No! I told you to put him in the bag. All right. What species is that? If you can tell us what species it is, we'll give it back.
I want to get in line before.
Yeah.
But look at our ship. The whole ship's here. I'm sorry.
Be on your way, resistance sympathizers. Up ahead there are two lines. Keep your group in the same line. This way.
You got your beast back?
I kind of wanted to get a photo of him with the stormtroopers. Can we do it? Turn around. I don't need one.
Always got force.
The guy just said thank you for your service.
Do not let her run around.
I got it.
Oh, the thrift store.
One behind the other.
Zip more conversation.
Make sure we're both of you up.
I'm the first order officer. Yeah.
Interrogation process, do not forget. These colors will not follow you inside of the cell. You will need to remember them on your own. Now, if you forget, this process will take longer for everyone.
Carly, very quiet.
She didn't know what to say.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We'll need it on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you. Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. These two droids anyway.
Detention block breach. Prisoners last seen on 11:15. There they are! Fire! Take cover, troops! These safe bots just follow us. Take what's down. Company, hurry! No! Sit down! Requesting heavy weapons authorization.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Stop! The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Fire the mental cannons!
Wow, these things are huge. Holy crap. Look at that. Oh!
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer's about.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Oh god, hold on.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his pod beacon.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're right.
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.